Hi, Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-PX750 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change its cutter settings. Now the LW-PX750 offers two cutter settings, auto cut or the full cut, which will just cut each label separate from the other, or the half cut feature, which will cut each label separate from the other, but they'll remain connected by the backing. And then of course you can turn the cutter off altogether. Now that you know the options for the cutter settings, let's go ahead and change them. We're going to start by turning the printer on. Now your cutter settings can be changed in the settings or preferences button, which is the one here with the little blue wrench and screwdriver. And being it's in blue, we're going to use the blue shift arrow to access it. We'll press and hold the blue shift arrow, and then we're going to hit that button, and this opens up our preferences. Now you'll see the first option here is the auto cut. So go ahead, let's press return. Now I have the option for on or off. For this application, I want the cutter on. The next option in the menu here is your half cut. So again, you can choose to turn that feature on or off depending on your needs. Now I've set the cutter exactly how I need, but you can also verify it here on the screen. You'll notice underneath the display screen, there's two little options for half cut and auto cut, and there will be a little indicator tick mark indicating which cutter setting is turned on. Well, that's how easy it is to change the cutter settings on the LW-PX750. If you have questions on this feature or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.